Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Izzy.
And I'm Maggie.
Maggie and I quit YouTube for the last 3 months to go on an African safari in the Nile to find Bigfoot.
No.
She ruins everything. Alright, while we may not have gone on an African safari in the Nile to find Bigfoot, we did quit YouTube for 3 months.
In today's video, we'll explain why. Why? Why do I keep saying? It's been a while.
It's pretty apparent that Maggie and I are both pretty country. I'm a hillbilly from the Great White North, and Maggie is a Southern belle from the backwoods of Georgia. Now, neither of us are afraid of hard work. My background is in design and process and production in the manufacturing world, and Maggie's ran several job shops and done some millwright work. So it really just made sense for us to use our skill sets to develop a business model that'll work well for both of us. And that comes down to product. You know, we decided we really want to develop a product-based business. That means we needed to make some changes. And we took the last 3 months to start going down that road to make the changes we need to develop and build a really good product-based business. Now, we're simple folks and we love our beat-up old farmhouse and want to keep working here at the house, both our manufacturing and our video and educational aspect. And that means we have to get very specific about how we do things to make that all work.
While everything is a hot mess, we did get an addition started. This is our new metal fabrication room.
We spent a lot of months hunting professional equipment, and two of the things that we recently purchased are a 5x10 plasma cutter and a 5x10 CNC with an 8-place tool changer from Phantom CNCs. And we'll talk more about them in just a minute.
And this is our new Phantom production CNC.
Now, before we go much further, I want to make sure that you guys understand this channel's not going to get lost in CNC videos. We have a lot of really fun jigs, builds, space-saving stuff, and how to get more out of your tools videos coming down the pipe. That said, technology is becoming more and more prevalent in small shops and even in the DIY homemade space. And that is a train we definitely want to be on. Now, we have a lot of people who follow us on our channels across the social media world. And one of the things I take very seriously are the companies that I promote or talk about. We all work very hard for our money, and when it comes to buying equipment, you want to know you're getting the best bang for your buck. Now, I can tell you without a doubt, after months and months of searching, that Phantom CNC is hands down the best bang for your buck on the market today. They make amazing machines, all the way from pro machines like the one you see here, down to small shop and DIY machines at a very affordable price. Now, we've talked about products before on this channel, and part of our 3-month sabbatical was deciding whether or not we really wanted to move forward with doing products. Because quite frankly, products are a lot of work. But in the end, it's something that Maggie and I both love a lot, and being able to bring unique products to the market that help solve problems is just a lot of fun. Now, it hasn't just been new tools, new buildings, and lollipops. We've been over here busting our tails. We've got 2 new members here at Maker's Playground. My son's joined the team, and Shayna, aka Dusty Beaver, over on Instagram has joined the team as well. I know, I didn't think the name, she picked it. I am pleased to announce that after months of designing, testing, and trying, in the next few days we'll be launching what will be the largest selection of acrylic templates available on the market today. Now, these aren't just regular old acrylic templates. These can be vacuumed down to your work holding, so you don't have to clamp them, double-side tape, or glue, or weird fixture scenarios. Simply vacuum them down. When you're done routing them out, push a button, and the template comes off. We're pretty excited about this product.
Our horse, it's beautiful.
We will have a full video out about these in the next week or so, but if you don't want to wait, you can check them out on our website as we start listing them over the next few days. There will be some video content there explaining more about their use. One of our biggest issues here on the place is space. And we've looked at other buildings, we looked at renting them. In fact, at one time I thought we were going to, but in the end we decided that we're not. We're going to make it work here. Now we have 1,000 square foot space which we use for production, video, education, all the things, and quite frankly that just isn't working anymore. The machines need to be running during the day and we need to be videoing during the day. So the solution we came up with is fairly simple. We're going to dedicate our 1,000 square foot facility completely to production, CNCs, and education, and we bought a shed. That's right, you heard me right. We bought a 12 by 24 foot shed, and I'm actually pretty excited about it. We're going to video the process from the ground up of wiring it and building it out and making it work for a small workspace. That also means filling our new workspace with small form tools that are more accessible, and we'll be able to do videos on how to get the most out of them in your projects, and that I am pretty excited about. There'll be some space saving challenges, some folding projects, and of course the regular fun drill powered crazy build from time to time. I'm really looking forward to what the future holds for us here at the Maker's Playground, and I hope you'll join us as we put out more video content in the near future. As always, we really appreciate your views and comments, and I'll be sure to check the description box for links before emailing me about questions. And we'll be seeing you all very soon in the next video.